What is vicarious copyright infringement? Have you ever wondered how someone can be held responsible for something they did not directly do? This is where the concept of vicarious copyright infringement comes into play. This legal principle holds a person or organization liable for copyright infringement committed by another party, even if they did not take part in the infringing act themselves. To understand this better, there are two key conditions that must be met. First, the person being held liable must have the right and ability to control or supervise the infringing activity. Second, they must receive a direct financial benefit from that infringement. Interestingly, the person does not need to know about the infringement or intend to infringe to be found liable. This idea comes from a common law principle known as Respondeat superior, which traditionally held employers responsible for their employees' actions while they were working. Over time, this concept has expanded to cover various situations, especially with the rise of digital platforms and online businesses. For instance, consider a nightclub owner who allows a band to perform copyrighted songs without the proper licenses. If the owner profits from increased attendance due to these performances, they can be held vicariously liable. They control the performances and benefit financially, even if they did not personally infringe on any copyrights. In today's digital world, vicarious copyright infringement is particularly important. It allows copyright holders to hold accountable those who facilitate or profit from copyright infringement on platforms like file-sharing services or online marketplaces. This is true even if those facilitators are not directly committing the infringing acts themselves. From a libertarian viewpoint, vicarious copyright infringement raises some interesting concerns. Many libertarians believe that extending liability to parties who may not have intended or even known about the infringement can be problematic. They see this as an expansion of government or legal authority that could infringe on individual and business freedoms. Libertarians might argue that such legal doctrines could stifle innovation and free enterprise, especially online. Intermediaries often play complex roles, and direct control over users' actions can be limited. This broad reach of liability can create a chilling effect on creativity and business activities. In summary, vicarious copyright infringement holds someone responsible for another person's infringement if they can control the activity and benefit financially, regardless of their intent or knowledge. While this serves the goals of copyright enforcement, it also raises questions about personal and economic freedom from a libertarian perspective.